Hi, which social media platform is best to use to gain leads in 2022? Hi, my name is Regitze and I share these little videos around business every day. So don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and share it with a friend if you like content like this. But let's jump into it. Which social media platform is best to get leads for coaching and consulting in 2022? Well, you're making content. So why not share it on all of them? You can share. I share these little videos on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, a lot of Facebook groups, and even Pinterest and TikTok. Because the thing is that we don't own the social media platforms, and there's algorithm updates being made all the time. And we can lose our account and thereby lose all the work and all the follows that we already gained. So if we have followers on several platforms, then it's easier to leverage the other platforms and build up a new platform. If you, for instance, lose your Facebook profile or your platform, then you can leverage all the other ones and ask the followers from YouTube or LinkedIn or Twitter to also follow you on Facebook. But the best way is to get people or get your leads off the social media platforms onto a platform that you can control, because we can control what's going on the social media platforms. We don't own that, and like I said, there's all those algorithm updates being made all the time. And what platform is it that you can control? An email list. So make valuable offers or lead magnets that people can sign up with their email to get, so you get them onto your email list, and then you can nurture them from there. Comment below what you've done and what you think, or if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.